YouTube just revealed a pattern it usually hides, and most creators don't even notice it, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. A channel launched 3 months ago and has already crossed 16 million views with nearly 200,000 subscribers. Another creator from the same window, 4 million views already. This isn't talent magically going viral, it's repetition. And here's where it gets interesting. It's not one channel, it's not two. Different creators, different styles. Same outcome, rapid growth in weeks. When growth stacks like this, it's not luck. It means YouTube has quietly decided to push something hard. Now that we've uncovered a niche that's clearly working, scaling fast, and still wide open, the next step is simple. It's time to build your own channel the right way. No guesswork, no wasted time. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a complete start-to-finish blueprint. From launching your channel with strong branding, to crafting scripts that actually hold attention, to editing videos in a way that keeps viewers watching till the end. You'll also learn how to structure your content so the algorithm can clearly understand your topic, and how to optimize every upload to give it the best possible chance to reach more people. But most importantly, I'll break down the exact strategy and system that these fast-growing psychology channels are using right now, a repeatable formula behind every single upload. By the time we finish, you'll understand how to replicate the structure and start building real momentum fast. But before we jump into the steps, there is something important you need to understand first. Why this strategy works in the first place. Because if you ignore this part, you'll end up copying the surface or missing the real reason these videos succeed. And that's where most creators lose weeks with zero results. The secret isn't the niche itself. Psychology has existed on YouTube for years. What makes these channels stand out is the way they present human behavior. Every video is built around something viewers instantly recognize about themselves, a habit, a thought pattern, or a behavior, followed by a psychological experience that makes them feel seen and understood. Now that you understand the foundation, let's move into the first step. Channel setup and branding, choosing the right name and visual identity. We'll be using ChatGPT for this. I've created a personalized GPT and automated the entire process for you. It handles everything from selecting a channel name, writing the description, creating a channel host, designing the banner image, generating trending and evergreen topic ideas, and even giving you ready-to-use scripts and image prompts. You don't need to think about anything. Just reply yes at each step while it builds everything for you. Go to chatgpt.com, open the left sidebar, scroll down, and click on GPTs. In the search bar, type Gen X Psychology, select it, and click Start Chat. Once inside, you'll see two options: Channel Setup, Name, Description, Branding, and Skip Setup. Skip Setup takes you directly to topic ideas. Since you're starting fresh without a channel name or host, begin by selecting Channel Setup. Within seconds, you'll get multiple channel name options. Pick the one you like, type it in, and click the arrow. Instantly, you'll receive a ready-to-use channel description. Next, it's time to create your host character. Simply type channel host and click the arrow. Boom! Your host image prompt is generated. If you like it, type lock channel host to lock it in. If not, type regenerate character to get a new image prompt. You can keep regenerating until you find the perfect vibe for your channel. Let me show you a quick preview of the 2D host character images generated from these prompts. They have a sleek, simple style with a polished finish. Head back to ChatGPT and lock your image prompt. I'm going with this one, so I type lock channel host. This locks in the character and moves us to the next step. Now you'll be asked what you'd like to do next. From the list, type banner image and click the arrow. Within seconds, your banner image prompt will be ready as well. Next step, choosing your topic. Type video topic ideas and click the arrow. You'll receive a list of trending, viral, and evergreen topics. Select the one you like, type it in, and click the arrow again to generate a ready-to-use script. After that, you'll be prompted with the next action. Type generate image prompts and click the arrow. You might be asked how many scenes you'd like. Just select option 1 or 2 and click the arrow. Typically, it generates 10 image prompts at a time. After that, you'll be asked if you want to continue generating the next set of scene prompts. The total number of image prompts will depend on the script you've chosen, along with the visual style you prefer. Just follow the guided messages, and when prompted to continue, simply reply with "yes" to generate the next batch of scenes. Your image prompts will then be created accordingly. And that's it. You now have your channel name, description, host image prompt, script, and image prompts ready. Now let's create your host and banner images. Head over to Whisk AI by Google Labs. Log in using your Gmail account. Once inside, click Browse Gallery, then select Enter Tool. You might see previously generated images, but we'll start fresh. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a white prompt box. This is where you'll paste the image prompts generated in ChatGPT. Go back to ChatGPT, copy your character image prompt, and paste it into the box. Set the resolution to 16.9, then click the arrow to generate. Wait a few seconds. And boom! Your first character image is ready. Click here to download your host character image. Now let's create your YouTube banner. Head back to ChatGPT, copy the banner image prompt, paste it into Whisk, and generate it the same way. In seconds, your banner image is ready too. Click here to download your banner image. Now go to youtube.com and sign in using your Gmail account. I've skipped showing that step since you already know how to log in. Once you're logged in, click on Customize Channel. A new interface will open. First, upload your banner image. Click Upload, select your banner, and adjust it so it fits properly within the frame. Next, click on Profile Picture and upload the channel host image we created. After that, scroll down and confirm that your channel name is correct. Usually, when you first sign in with Gmail, YouTube asks you to set a channel name, and that name will appear here in the customization section. Then scroll further down to the description section. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the channel description, and paste it into the description box. Finally, update the email address you want linked to this YouTube channel. Now click on Publish. And just like that, your Psychology YouTube channel is now live, branded, and ready. But we're not done yet. Now let's create the actual visuals for your first video. Head back to Whisk AI, open the sidebar, select Subject, and upload your character image. This ensures your character stays consistent across every scene you generate. Now let's begin. Go to ChatGPT, copy your first scene prompt, and paste it into Whisk. Make sure your uploaded subject is selected. Then click Generate. And just like that, your first scene image is ready, fully consistent with zero extra effort. Download it. Now repeat the exact same process for the remaining scene prompts. Copy the next prompt, paste it into Whisk, confirm the subject is selected, and generate. Continue this for all scenes. In just a few minutes, you'll have a complete set of visuals ready to edit. Now let's move on to the next step, generating your background voiceover. We'll be using CapCut.com, which is free. Click Create New, then select Text-to-Speech to open a new window. On the right-hand side, you'll see a range of voice options. Choose the one that best matches your channel host's style and tone. Next, head back to ChatGPT and copy the script you generated. Return to CapCut and paste the script into the text field. Select a voice, click Generate, preview the voiceover, and once you're happy with how it sounds, download the file. Once the voiceover and images are ready, you can move on to the next step, adding motion. This is an optional bonus step, and we'll be using Grok AI, which is free. If you'd rather keep things simple, you can skip animation and use still images with basic pans and zooms instead. I'll walk you through both options so you can choose what works best for you. Head to Grok.com and log in with your Gmail account. Before generating anything, click on Auto and switch it to Customize. Then go to Behavior and turn off Enable Automatic Video Generation. This step is important. It gives you full control over each shot, which makes a big difference in the final output. Next, click Imagine from the left side menu. This will open a new page. At the bottom, click the attachment pin and upload your first image. You can add a short instruction describing the motion you want the character to perform. Alternatively, you can head to ChatGPT, copy the first line of the scene, and paste it here to add an action. Or you can leave it blank and simply click the arrow to let the AI generate the action automatically. Give it a few seconds to process, that's it. Your first animated scene is ready with a voiceover. However, we won't be using this voiceover since a separate background voiceover has already been generated. So, we'll simply mute the scene's voiceover during the editing phase. Click the download icon to save the video. Repeat this same process for the rest of your visuals until all scenes are animated. Final step, putting everything together in CapCut. This is where all your clips come together and the video starts to look professional. If you don't already have CapCut, download it using the link in the description. Open CapCut and click Create Project. I'm going to walk you through two editing options. Option 1, editing with video clips. Option 2, editing with still images using simple pans and zooms. First, I'll show you how to edit using clips. Tap the plus icon to upload your visuals and background voiceover. Once they are imported, then click the plus icon again to add both the visuals and the voiceover to the timeline. Scroll toward the right side of the timeline and click the plus again to extend it. This gives you more space to work and makes it easier to drag, arrange, and place each clip in the correct order based on your script. Rearrange the visuals according to your script order. Simply click on a clip and drag it back and forth. After arranging all the clips according to your script, select them all and move them to the upper timeline. Next, choose one of the clips and adjust its speed so it matches your voiceover. Click on Speed, then reduce the speed until the clip aligns properly with the narration. Repeat this process for any other clips that need timing adjustments. After that, select all the clips and drag them accordingly to reposition and align them with the clip whose speed was reduced. You can repeat this process for each clip individually to ensure it aligns perfectly with the narrator's voiceover. Once that's done, let's enhance the visuals by adding a filter. Go to Filters, select Clear 2, and apply it to the timeline. Then drag the filter layer to the end of the video so it covers the entire sequence. Now select all the clips and reduce their volume so they don't overpower the narrator's voiceover. Preview the video to check the overall timing, visuals, and audio balance. Now that you've learned how to edit using clips, let's move to option 2, editing using still images with pans and zooms. First, delete the first 2 clips, then drag your still images onto the timeline. After placing them, move the playhead to the beginning of the first image. In the top right panel, click the keyframe icon next to transform. Then move the playhead to the end of that image and add another keyframe. After that, slightly increase the scale to create a smooth zoom-in effect. Repeat this same process for the remaining still images. Once everything is complete, preview the video one final time. Finally, click Export, set the resolution to 4K, and click Export again. Let's preview it.
There's a kind of loneliness that doesn't look like loneliness. You're invited, you're in the group chat, you're sitting at the table, but somehow you feel erased. No one is rude. No one excludes you. Yet conversations move past you. Jokes bounce around you. Plans form without you. Here's what's really happening. In every friend group, there's an unspoken hierarchy. Some people take up space naturally. They talk faster, louder, interrupt more comfortably. Attention follows energy. If you're more reflective, slower to jump in, or naturally reserved, you don't compete for that space. And attention isn't evenly distributed. It's pulled. Over time, you start noticing everything. Who gets eye contact? Who gets the first reply? That hyper-awareness makes you hesitate, and hesitation makes you fade further. It's a loop, but feeling invisible doesn't mean you're insignificant. Often, quiet people are deeply valued, just not loudly acknowledged. And sometimes, it's not about becoming louder. It's about finding spaces where your natural presence doesn't have to fight to exist. Because the right room won't make you feel invisible. It will make you feel known.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a powerful new video like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.